Okay, question 19. P has coordinates minus 9, 7. Q has coordinates 11, 12. M is a point on a line segment PQ, such as PM to MQ is 2 to 3. Line L is perpendicular to the line segment PQ. L passes through M. So I'm just going to draw out what's going on here, because this is a little bit hard to understand. Okay, so I'm just going to do some X's. I'm going to think minus 9, 7 is roughly about there. We'll put minus 9, 7. I'm going to label it P. Q I'm just going to put here, because I think this is roughly where it should be, which is 11, 12. I'm going to label that Q. Now it says this is a straight line. It says M. I'm going to use a different colour for M. It is here. It could be anywhere on this line. I'm just putting there just because I can. It's on a point segment, so that PM to MQ is 2 to 3. So on my line segment, this bit here will take out 2 of it, and this bit here will take ratio of 3. So this will be 2/5. This will be 3/5, if you want to think of it like that. And then what we have to do is it's going to be perpendicular, which means this is a right angle. So we have a line through this, and the question really is, what is the equation of this line there? So the first thing we need to do is we need to find the gradient of this line here, because then we know that the gradient of the green line is going to be the negative reciprocal of it. So I'll draw my triangle. Okay. Now I'll work out my height, and then I'll work out my base. Now if I look at my x values, it's starting at minus 9 and it's going all the way up to 11. Okay. That means my base is going to be 20 centimeters, well 20 units long. Okay. If we're looking at a height, we know it's starting at 7 and it's going up to 12. So that's 5. Now I'm going to write my 5 there, just because it reminds me that 5 divided by 20 is my gradient. So my gradient is going to be a quarter. Okay, a quarter of this line. Now, remember that, because if this is a quarter, that means that my gradient for my line there would actually be minus 4. Okay, so I'm just going to put a circle around that because we're going to need that a little bit later. Second thing we have to do is work out what M is. Now I'm going to change colours. So point M. If we know that it's going to be 2/5 and then 3/5, we can work out this little bit here. Now, 2/5 of 20 is 8. So I just know it's going to be 8 away from minus 1. And the height here is 5, which we've already stated. And 2/5 of 5 is 2. So I know it's going to be 2 up from P and 8 along from P. So minus 9 adds 8 is your minus 1 value. Right there, minus 1. And your 7 plus 2, so 8, 9. And this is your coordinates for M, minus 1, 9. Now let's put into the equation for the second line. Notice I'm not working out my equation for the line P to Q, because I don't need to. I don't care about the y-intercept for this. But let's talk about the second equation. So it's y equals mx plus c. We've already worked out what m is, because it's minus 4, because it's a perpendicular, the negative reciprocal of the other line. Now we need the coordinates. We have one set of coordinates for the green line, and that's for m, which is your minus 1, 9. My y value is 9, so I've got 9 equals, my gradient is minus 4. Okay, x is your minus 1 there, so times minus 1 plus c, and it's just an equation we have to solve. Minus 4 times minus 1 is 4, and then we minus 4 from both sides. Okay, to give us c. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so 5 equals c. So my equation ends up being y equals negative 4x plus 5.